All right, hello, how is everybody today? I'm going to show you today the new feature that's available in Canva, and it is the layer stack. And so just in case you are not familiar with what a layer stack is, I'm going to open up Photoshop so you can see that. Basically, I have three shapes that I've colored the primary color group, red, yellow, and blue, and I have those on different layers. Now, if I move these objects around, you can start to see how they might appear in a finished design. And basically, it's all based off of what position they're in the layer stack. And so I can move, for instance, this blue square to the bottom of the stack, clicking and dragging, and now it appears below the other layers. And I can move the red now to the top by clicking and dragging, and now the red's on top. So that's how I might go about reordering layers in Photoshop. But up until now, that visualization, you being able to see what actually is on top of another object, was very difficult to see it with your own eyes. So anyways, I want to show you what that looks like now in Canva. So I've done the same exercise where I've created three different squares in Canva, and I'm going to move these things around, and just like I did before. And you'll see that in this case, the blue is towards the top. But let's get a peek into exactly where it is on the layer stack. So I'm going to click the position button. And over here, I see the options that have always been available to me in Canva. But the exciting thing now is that now I have these added advanced features where I can control the ratio, and I can also control an object's position according to an XY coordinate. I'll be excited to see when the Z coordinate comes into Canva for 3D design. But for now, we'll just stay with 2D and the X and Y coordinate. But the new feature that I wanted to show you today is right here under layers. You can actually visualize now a layer stack just like you would in Photoshop. So here I see that the blue layer is the topmost layer in the layer stack, and the red is in the middle, and the yellow is on the bottom. And then I can also see that my background image in this case is a white color, and I'll show you how you can change that too. So anyways, if I want to change these objects around a little bit, I want to click and drag the yellow to be on top, or at least on top of the red. I can do that, and I can even click and drag it all the way to the top to get it in the right spot. And now the yellow is on the top. Now I want to show you what happens when you change your opacity settings, because especially because these colors are primary colors, you can start to see some color mixing going on based off of their position. So now you'll see that the red is here, the yellow is here, and the blue. And when the red and yellow mix, they form orange, as we know. And then when the yellow and blue mix, they form green, as you know as well. But you can see that more accurately when you're looking at an actual layer stack. So anyways, I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to also show you just really quickly how you can change the color of the background layer. So here I just click this background layer right here, and I'm going to change the background color, for instance, to black. And now I have a different background color for my design. But these added features all come from the roots of Photoshop, and the terminology that was being used here was really had more to do with what is shown in InDesign, which is another design program. But anyways, this terminology was very commonplace in InDesign, but now it's nice to incorporate some of those features that designers are used to from Photoshop, because it just really helps you visualize what is going on behind the scenes. So anyways, anyways, I hope you enjoy this new feature. It's not available on mobile just yet, although I do see some new things starting to come into your mobile design features. So I anticipate this coming to mobile soon, but I will let you know when it does. Thank you. Have a great day, and I will see you in class.
'Cause you got stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind. I thought I'd